Hello and welcome. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can find your Facebook page link and copy it. Now the first thing you need to do is to go to your profile and then find the page name. For instance, I have this page that I manage. Go ahead and click on it. It will open the page. Once you're on your page, to find your page link, what you need to do is to click on these three buttons and they will open your page details. Now from here you can see we have the page link at the bottom here, and it gives us an option to copy the link. Simply tap on copy link. Link has been copied. So by following those steps, you'll be able to copy your Facebook page link and use it wherever you want. If this video was helpful to you, kindly consider subscribing to this channel and liking this video. Thank you for watching, and bye bye for now.